In the rush of modern life, it's strange how something so small, a delayed message, a cold remark, a missed appointment, can poison an entire day. We carry it, we replay it, we let it echo. But have you noticed others? Those who endure real storms, yet seem untouched by bitterness? They don't break, they expand. They've learned a quiet truth. Pain is a constant in life, but suffering is a matter of capacity. There was a man named Caleb. On paper, he had everything: a prestigious career, a high-rise apartment, a life admired by others. But inside, he was crumbling. Every mistake felt personal. Every demand felt final. His mind was loud, his heart tight. One restless night, Caleb packed a small bag and left the city. He drove toward the hills, toward stillness, to visit someone who once taught him how to breathe when the world was heavy. That morning, on a quiet porch overlooking a still lake, sat Elias, an old mentor with kind eyes and worn hands. Without a word, Elias handed Caleb a small glass of water and a bowl of salt. "Take a handful," he said. "Stir it into the glass. Now drink." Caleb did, and winced. "It's bitter." Elias nodded, then led him to the edge of the lake. "Now," he said, "throw the same salt into the lake." Caleb watched the salt vanish into the blue. Elias cupped some lake water in his palm. "Taste it." It was fresh. Elias smiled. Pain is like salt. The bitterness depends on the vessel. If your heart is small like this glass, even a little pain can overwhelm you. But if your heart is wide, like this lake, it has room to hold the salt without becoming bitter. Caleb stood in silence, watching the still water stretch into the horizon. He saw it clearly now. He had been living in a glass, tight around his ego, tight around his fears, tight around everything he thought he had to protect. But peace wasn't found in control. It was found in capacity. A lake doesn't remove the salt. It simply knows how to hold it without changing its nature. And maybe we could learn the same. Back in the city, things hadn't changed, but Caleb had. The traffic was still there. So were the deadlines, the voices, the sharp corners of life. But this time he didn't flinch. At a red light, someone honked loudly behind him. He turned down the volume of the radio and smiled. His heart was no longer a glass. It had become something wider. Pain will come. There will be salt in the days ahead. But the bitterness you feel will depend on the space you give your soul to hold it. So stop trying to fix the world. Start expanding your heart. If this story offered you even a moment of stillness, subscribe to Spire Stories, where quiet truths meet timeless wisdom. And if someone you know is living in a glass, share this. Maybe they're ready to find their lake. You don't have to fight the salt. You just have to grow deeper than it.